and we finally reached Brisbane. Today we are at the Caravanning Queensland trade show. Look at the massive amount of caravans. This is Teresa's favorite four-wheel drive configuration with the bed and the toilet, which is reasonable, and a small kitchenette with a big cupboard and a rear lounge seating. She likes this the best.
Yes.
And yes, I've seen a lot, and we've decided to purchase a four-wheel campervan custom built. We've selected a Iveco 4x4 daily, and I think it's going to be interesting, and that's the reason why I've been visiting so many of these motorhome shows, trying to learn more from this industry, and I gathered sufficient information. And during these 2 years, I realized that this is the way to go to build an expedition vehicle.